Good day, everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Windows 11 hidden features which you should be using, and I'm sure you will love discovering these hidden features. And it's a best Windows 11 tips. So here, the secret start menu, which most of us know that, and how we can go. I mean, we can do a left click and we will find this start menu. And in Windows 11, we will also get a secret start menu, which we can do a right click on that start icon. And here you can go to research, you can do file explorer, you can open the task manager and terminal, and a lot of things which you can do, disk management, network connections, like that you can open it. And the best part of this, it is very quick and very handy. So you know where exactly you're going to do that. Installed apps. I'll click on installed apps and we can right away we can go into that. The next one is the clipboard history. So here we just need to press Window and V, and here you will find the clipboard history. Whatever is there, you can see what exactly it is, and you can copy and use it. The next one is the snap layout. So let's say if I'm opening a window and I just need to hover the cursor at the top right corner where you have this square icon, and you can adjust according to your arrangements for your productivity. So let's say if I want more than half of the screen, I can do that, and later part I can I can use the rest of the area for a different thing. So this is very productive. I'll maximize it. So whenever you will hover the cursor there, you will find this snap layout. And the next one is focus assist mode, which I personally like a lot. Here we just need to click on search icon and type focus, and you will find focus settings. So you will get the notification but silently, and you can focus on your work. And here you can select the duration, show the timer, hide badges, hide flashing, turn on do not disturb. So there are a lot of things which it will do, and you can focus on your work as the name suggests. The next one is also amazing, which is guard mode. The guard mode, you can control and you can use most of the settings in a single folder, unlock all control panel settings in one place. So how we can do that? You just need to do a right click and click on new, click on create folder, and name it to it. I will share the command in the description. You just need to create a folder, and you just need to rename it to this, and you will find the guard mode folder like this. And whenever we will do a double click on that, we will get all the system control panel settings. Let's say if you want to do the backup and restore, you can do that. If you want to um, device, if you want to open the device manager, just do a double click like this, and it will open up the guard mode for you on Windows 11. So the folder became like a control panel settings all in one place. So I'm sure you will love this. So do let me know in the comment section if you like this tutorial. Please do share with your loved ones, and please hit the like and subscribe. And I'll be glad if you leave a comment. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.